Hi everyone. Today we're going to look at what we call noun modifiers. That's when nouns get together and begin describing nouns. So we have words like cake and cream and pie and ice and apple, and we can put them together to describe things. For example, what kind of cream? Ice cream. What kind of cake? Apple cake. What kind of pie? Cream pie or apple pie. So we put these words together to create other descriptions. So let's see how it works. We can have an apple and we have a pie and we put it together and we get apple pie. And what happens when we have two pies and they're made out of apples? And we have apple and we have pies. We have apple pies. Notice that the S is only on the main noun. We're talking about pies. Pies are our main kind. We have apple pies. Well, we could maybe have chocolate pies or cream pies or cherry pies or lemon pies. Our main noun is pies, and that's why it gets the S. So many times in texts, we look and we see home country, or in the plural, home countries. There were many countries that were home for different people. People left their home countries to live in a new country. So what kind of country? A country that is or was their home. Home is a noun. Country is a noun. The word home describes country. And here we also have a source country and we have a destination country. So the source country is the source of the immigrants, the country they came from. The destination country, the country that was the destination, where they wanted to go of the immigrants. So have long been source countries, are also now destination countries for immigrants. And does it matter what order we put them in? Well, it does, because when we use the order or change the order, we change the meaning. For example, here, horse race. Race is our main noun. What kind of race? A race with horses. So we have a horse race. I saw a horse race. In other words, the horses are racing. But here, I saw a race horse. I saw a horse. What kind of a horse? A horse that races. A race horse. So here, order is important. We know there's a difference between a horse race and a race horse. Horse race, race horse. So let's take a look at what some phrases mean. It's an office chair. Well, it's a chair in an office. I need a soup spoon. A spoon to eat soup. Ring the door bell. Well, what kind of bell? A bell next to a door. And what do we have? He rides a bike for mountain use. In other words, he rides a mountain bike. It's a table for picnics, or what we call a picnic table. I have an interview for a job. I have a job interview. Notice that we're talking about a bike. Oops, let's go back. I didn't mean to click there. What kind of a bike? A mountain bike. What kind of a table? A table for picnics. What kind of an interview? An interview for a job. And that more or less explains what happens when nouns describe nouns. And you've got it. And what kind of a student are you? You're a star student.